Our YouTube, it's Gumsy Destiny here. I got 8 packs of Crimson Crisis and 2 packs of Crossroads. So I'm going to start with Crossroads. Hoping for some decent stuff. Okay, Morphotronic Engine, Gadget Driver, Confusion Shaft, Flagrant Storm, Polykinesis. That's it. So, Polykinesis. Alright, second Crossroads. Comrade, Swordsman, Landstar, whatever the hell it's called. Double Ganger, Giga something, Iron Chain Dragon, Prideful Roar. That's it. Nothing good from Crimson Crisis. Okay. Crossroads, sorry, because now it's time for Crimson Crisis. Bone Crusher, Ultra, and Wall of Thorns. Wall of Thorns and Bone Crusher. Hyper Synchron, cool Blackwing. Third, so I have to do this fast. I'm going out to the movies, and it's just a quick pickup and opening. So sorry about this quickness of everything. Nice, Blackwing Gale. That's up for trade. Hoping for an Armor Master or Star Trek Fighter. Breeze Dragon. That's it. Those very good pulls. Alien, Almanite. God damn it.